What if the future of technology wasn't just in the hands of billion-dollar corporations but in your own backyard? Imagine a world where cars run without gas, buildings defy earthquakes, and security is powered by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today we're going to show you 5 mind-blowing engineering models that prove the future is closer than you think. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to build at least one of them yourself. Let's start with a simple question. How much money do you spend on gas? Too much, right? What if your car could run on nothing but sunlight? A solar-powered car isn't just some fantasy from a sci-fi movie, it's a real engineering breakthrough. By converting sunlight into electricity through photovoltaic cells, a solar-powered car can operate without ever needing a gas station again. This isn't just a cool experiment, it's a glimpse into a future where you never have to worry about fuel prices again. Imagine the freedom of driving anywhere, anytime, without spending a dime on gas. That's the kind of future solar energy is making possible. But what about our roads? Ever sat at a red light for what feels like an eternity, even when there's no one else around? It's frustrating, right? Enter smart traffic light systems, designed to solve this exact problem. Using sensors and microcontrollers, these lights detect real-time traffic and adjust signals accordingly. That means less waiting, fewer traffic jams, and a whole lot less road rage. Just imagine, no more screaming at red lights like a maniac. Okay, maybe you still will, but at least the light will actually turn green faster. Now, let's talk about something a little scarier, earthquakes. They strike without warning and destroy everything in their path. But what if buildings could resist them? Earthquake-resistant buildings use advanced shock absorbers and base isolation to minimize damage. Think of it like sneakers for your house, absorbing the impact so the structure doesn't collapse. This isn't just theoretical, it's the same technology used in some of the world's most earthquake-prone cities. The best part? You can build a small-scale model yourself to see how it works in action. And once you do, you'll never look at a skyscraper the same way again. Now let's take a trip back to basics, electricity. We take it for granted, but what happens when the power goes out? That's where a hand-cranked generator comes in. This device turns mechanical energy into electrical energy, ensuring that you can generate power anytime, anywhere. No batteries, no problem. This simple model proves just how valuable kinetic energy is, whether it's for emergency preparedness or just impressing your friends when their phone dies. Because let's be honest, nothing says genius like charging your phone with your own 2 hands. And finally, we arrive at the technology that's shaping the future in ways we never imagined, artificial intelligence. Facial recognition isn't just about unlocking your phone. It's revolutionizing security, law enforcement, and even personalized marketing. With Python and OpenCV, you can create a basic face recognition system that detects and identifies faces. Sounds cool, right? But here's the catch. While AI makes our lives easier, it also raises questions about privacy. Who's watching you? How is your data being used? The answer might shock you. So, what do all these innovations have in common? They're solving real-world problems. Whether it's sustainable transportation, efficient traffic management, disaster-proof architecture, energy generation, or advanced security, each of these models represents a step towards a better future. The best part? You don't need a PhD to start building them. You just need curiosity and a willingness to experiment. Which of these ideas blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? The future is here,